Hi guys, welcome to RS Technology. My name is Sai Kumar. In this session, we are going to learn arithmetic operators. There are five types of arithmetic operators. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, and division. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. Mathematical operations. We will see the program all operations in one program. We will see all operations. We will see. Okay. Okay. Before writing the program, I need to include header files to my program because uh, the functionality, the functions which are I'm going to use, which are predefinedly located in the header files, I'm using hash include stdio.h. It is the standard input output header files. Hash include conio.h. I'm using CLR SCR function. That's why I am including the conio.h header file. Void main. Every program should start with main function. Open and close brace. Within the open and close brace only, we should write the code. Okay, I'm giving here int a is equal to 10. Look at here, I am assigning the particular 10 value to integer type variable. And second line, int b is equal to 20. I'm assigning 20 to integer type variable b. If I want to perform particular operation, I want to print it in console, then we need to use printf function. Printf. Uh, the printf function specialty is in the printf within the double quotes, whatever you will write, it will be print as it is in the console. I am performing addition operation, so I am writing addition is percentile d. What is the percentile d? Percentile d is used to store the integer type data. I am performing addition operation, so I am giving here a plus b. A value is 10, b value is 20. After percentile d, close the double quotes and give the comma. After comma, we need to perform operation whatever we want. I am performing addition operation. Compiler will assign the values to a and b. The value will be add here and it will store in the percentile d. In next line, printf, I want to perform something subtraction is percentile d double quotes close gamma. I want to perform subtraction operation, so I am giving a subtraction symbol minus b and close the bracket and semicolon. Semicolon means end of the statement. Compiler should understand that if the user gives a semicolon, so the statement has been ended. So in next line, printf multiplication is percentile d comma multiplication means a into b. Next line, printf modulo is percentile d comma a modulo b semicolon. Printf division is percentile d comma a by b semicolon, close the brace. We will see compiler view. What happened here is first compiler. See, in C language, there is a top to bottom approach. So compilers reading from header files after main method, it will looks into variables. There are int a and int b, and the values assigned a and b is 20 and 10. And comes to print statement, the compiler reads the statement from right to left. Compiler reads the statement right to left and print it in the console left to right. And compiler enters into the first print statement. There is a plus b. Compiler already knows in the previous lines a value is the 10, b value is the 20, and compiler performs here addition operation, and the resultant value 30 will be stored in percentage d. And here we are performing printf operations, so it will print left to right. The output of this line is addition is 30. And after completion of the first printf, compiler comes to second next line, top to bottom operation, next line, and it reads from right to left. What is the here? A minus b. Compiler already knows a is 10, b is 20. So I want to perform a subtraction operation. So it performs subtraction operation, and the resultant value minus 10 will be stored in percentage d, and it prints left to right. Subtraction is minus 10, and compiler comes to next line. Next line, there is the multiplication operation. A value is 10, B value is 20. 10 20s are 200. Compiler performs the multiplication operation. The resultant value stores in percentage d, and it will print multiplication is 200. And here, after completion of that line, compiler comes to next line. Compiler comes to next line, performs here modulo operation, and print the resultant value into percentage d, and the output will be modulus is the resultant value. And it is also same. Compiler comes to next line, performs division operation, and the division result value stored in percentage d, and it prints in console as division is the resultant value. And we will see practically in Turbo C++. Open the Turbo C++. This is the interface of Turbo C++. Okay, I have already saved the file like arithmetic.c. If we want to take a new file, uh, we need to go files and select new, and save the file by using F2 key. I have already saved the file arithmetic.c. I am including my files here as include stdio.h hash include conio.h void main. Open brace and close brace. In between only we need to write the code. I'm taking here int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. I am performing here printf operation. Addition is percentage d, comma, addition is a plus b, semicolon, printf subtraction, percentage d, double quotes, a minus. printf multiplication percentage d comma a into b. Printf modulus percentage d comma a percentage. Printf division is percentage d comma a by b semicolon. Okay, check this first line. First line and second line I have included header files, and I have included conio.h to clear screen. So I will use here clr scr function to clear previous programs output. Okay, I have given int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 10, print f print f. It is the redefined function which is located into stdio.h header file. Addition is percentage d is used to store the integer type value. Next subtraction is after comma you need to perform which operation we need to perform. Okay, we will compile it. How to compile? Alt F9. Okay, no errors. To run this program, Control F9. No errors. To show the output in the console, Alt F5. Addition is 30, subtraction is -10, multiplication is 200, model is 10, division is 0. These data all printing in the one line. If I don't want like this, I want to print each result in each line. So I need to enter here escape character /n. A /n is used to print the data into the next line. To the next line. Slash. The /n should be mentioned within the double quotes only. Within the double quotes only. Save the file one more. Alt F9, compile, Control F9, run, Alt F5. Look at here, addition is 30, subtraction is -10, multiplication is 200, modulus is 10, division is 0. Okay guys, if you want to exit from Turbo C++, we need to enter Alt X. Here we need to enter exit. Okay, these are the arithmetic operators in one program. Thank you for watching. We'll see next topic in the next video.